Welcome guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can win money of these people who are gambling with meme coins. As you can see, this is the Solana blockchain where there are 1000 coins every day, and we are gonna do something. We are not gonna gamble with these meme coins. We are gonna put liquidity pairs for these people who wanna gamble. We will get their commissions when they wanna swap. How are we gonna do that? We are gonna use Meteora. And when you use Meteora, if you do liquidity pairs, for the commission that you are winning, they will give you points in the future. So, for make a quick introduction, you will get money from the commission of the people who are trading. You will get also money if the meme coin goes up, and also you will get the future airdrop of Meteora, which people are thinking it will be very good because not a lot of users are farming it. Why? Because people, instead of doing like normal farming with liquidity pools, people are just buying one of these meme coins and they are expecting to rise up and to get rich. So not a lot of people are being intelligent, and not a lot of people are using these type of strategies to rentabilize their tokens. As you can see, I have $165, and every day I'm getting more or less an APR of 1.6% daily percent. That means that every day I will get nearly a 2% rentabilized every day. So if I have $165, it will be just 165 multiplied by this APR, which is more or less $3. So with just $165, I will get $3 every day, more or less, if the price is stable. How are we gonna win money with this strategy? First, you have this, that you will win commission. You will get a fee of these people who are swapping Trump and Solana. At the same time, if the price of Trump, which is very possibly that will go high because of the Donald Trump, and if he gets elected, probably the price will rise up. Of course, this is just predictions. Nobody knows the future, but you have this strategy. You get fee for everyone who is swapping. You get money if the price goes up, and also you get Meteora points because this project will launch a future airdrop, and Meteora and Jupiter are of the same owner. So if Jupiter was a good protocol, we can expect that Meteora will be also a good project. And do you know what? Nobody is using Meteora to get their airdrop. Do you know why? Because it's very secret, and actually not a lot of people are farming this airdrop. So I think this could be a very hidden gem of the Solana blockchain. Even now I have some fees that I can claim, that I will claim it. I have already claimed $42 in this liquidity pair with $165. As you can see, the price can change very easily because at the end of the day we are using meme coins. But yes, of course, you will risk some money, but the potential result that you can have, at least in my opinion, is very high. Because you get the airdrop, you get fee, and also you get the money if the price of the meme coin goes up. Okay, so I have already claimed the fees, but they are not refreshing in the front end, so don't worry, but it was around $4 or $5, more or less, I don't really know. And just every day, doing with liquidity pool, you will get an extra $3. So yeah, you get the risk that the meme coins goes to zero. But if you use meme coins that are stabilized, like Trump, like Popcat, for example, so it's very risky, but it's the risk that you have to take for potential results. At the end of the day, you are not gambling with this strategy. With this strategy, what you are doing is just putting money so that the people who wanna gamble, they can gamble, and you will get the commission of these people. And also, you will farm an airdrop of the protocol that you are using at the same time. So I think this hidden strategy is very top, and from now I think in the future with the Meteora airdrop I will get such big airdrop. So I hope all this strategy makes sense for you. I'm really so sorry because I'm Spanish and my English is not currently the best. So if you have any suggestion for me to improve these videos, you can put it in the comments. Even if you want to talk about any other strategies, you can put it in the comments and we can debate. Thank you guys and have a good day.